Okay, we were like speaking yesterday. People were requesting me to discuss this issue about YouTube teacher. I'm actually Daniel. I'm a YouTube teacher, yes. And today we want to look at this issue we are calling structure and functions. We're looking under the what we call cell. So today we want to define what is a cell and many factors of a cell. But for more, let's begin. As you can see, as I said, I'm Daniel, as usual, the YouTube teacher, and today we are talking about these structure and functions. Let us start. The cell, the basic structural unit of organ. Cell is the basic structural unit of an organ. Someone may ask what is a cell. That sounds very nicely and correctly that cell is the basic structural unit of an organ. In 1965, Robert Hooke discovered the cell. In 1965, Robert Hooke discovered the cell. Cell is a living organism. Cell is a living organism. Okay? The organism which is made up of more than one, is known as a multicellular organism. The single-celled organisms are known as unicellular organisms. Example, it is amoeba. Example is amoeba. Hope you know what is amoeba. This is just example of amoeba. This is example. This is example of amoeba, as you can see. So this example. This example of amoeba, okay. That is amoeba. Okay. That is example of amoeba. We proceed. Structure of amoeba, I hope you have seen the above. Single cell organism perform all the essential functions that a multicellular organism performs. They just perform the same functions and effective as the other multicellular organism performs. Unlike other organisms, amoeba has no definite shape, so it keeps on changing its shape. Okay, amoeba has no definite shape, so it keeps on changing its shape. Amoeba is a full-fledged organism capable of independent existence. Another one, shape of the cell are normally round, spherical, or elongated. Photoplasm is known as a living substance of the cell. Photoplasm is known as living substance of the cell. We proceed very fast. Because we want to finish this, we start with chemistry. Okay. The cell having nucleus substances without nucleus membrane are known as prokaryotic cells. Examples: bacteria, blue-green algae. Example: bacteria, blue-green algae. Cell structure. This is the cell structure. Okay, hope you are able to see. This is the human cell. Okay, this is the structure. This is nucleus. Okay, nucleus. Okay, this is it. This is cytoplasm. Okay, and this is nuclear membrane. The outside of it, okay. This is now the cell membrane. That is the cell membrane. Hope we're together. Cell membrane is known as plasma membrane. The other name of cell membrane is known as plasma membrane. That is another cell of cell membrane. Is known as plasma membrane. Cell membrane is also known as plasma membrane. The plasma membrane is porous. What do you mean by the word porous? Porous means the plasma membrane is porous, the cell membrane is porous, the same. What do I mean by the word porous? I mean it allows certain substance or materials to move both inward and outwards. It is known as porous. Porous means it allows certain substance or material move both inward and outwards. The central dense round structure is the center. The central dense round structure is the center. The central dense round structure is the center, known as nucleus. 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 The jelly-like, the jelly-like, sorry, the jelly-like substance, the jelly-like substance between the nucleus and cell membrane is known as the jelly-like substance between the nucleus and the cell membrane is known as cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. The jelly-like substance between the nucleus and cell membrane is known as cytoplasm. Different organelles of cells are also present in the cytoplasm. Different organelles of cells are also present in cytoplasm. Example, mitochondria. Take the spelling. mitochondria. 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 That is the easiest way to remember it. Mitochondria. 2. Golgi bodies. Golgi bodies. Capital G or LGI bodies. Ribosomes. 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 Nucleus is separated from the cytoplasm by a porous membrane known as nuclear membrane. Nucleus is separated from the cytoplasm by a porous membrane known as nuclear membrane. The smaller and spherical structure found inside the nucleus is known as a nucleus. The smaller and spherical structure found inside the nucleus is known as nucleus. 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 Nucleus contain thread-like structure known as chromosomes. Nucleus contain thread-like structure known as chromosomes. CHROMOSOMES. Chromosome. CHROMOSOMES. Chromosomes. Chromosomes carry genes and help in inheriting the characteristics of the parents to the offspring. Chromosomes carry genes, okay? Chromosomes carry genes and help inheriting the characteristics of parents to the offspring. To the parents to the offspring. Okay? To the parents and the offspring. Okay, now gene. When someone asks you what is a gene, which kind of answer will you answer? Will you answer him or will you fail? Is the correct answer to define the word gene and the summarized one. Gene is a fundamental unit of inheritance in living organisms. Gene is a fundamental unit of inheritance in living organisms. The entire constituent of living cell are known as protoplasm. The entire constituent of living cell are known as protoplasm. Up next, we want to look at the plant cell. Take faster.